You have waited, and here it comes, Aion again. In today's video, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about Aion and its price action versus US dollar. Is it bearish? Is it bullish? Where are we heading? What's going on? The charts will speak, and I will be today's translator. Ladies and gentlemen, let's travel to the Aion. Now believe me, I'm doing this for you. A few months ago, we made a price prediction. You liked that video. We gave a pretty high level that Aion could reach if the stars align. Now, did the stars aligned for that scenario to be valid? That is what we're going to talk about today. So first of all, if you haven't, check out our price prediction that we made in March. The number is crazy stuff, and I don't want to ruin this experience for you. Maybe from this standpoint, that number is nowhere achievable, but things can change pretty fast. Saying that, I know that many of you won't watch this video, and I know that many of you are not interested at all. That's why I said I'm making this for you, not for myself and for my channel. And my first indication would be volume. Now, besides this twin towers that you're seeing in May, what else is going on? Let's put it simply. Desert nothingness. You can see why I said that not many people will watch this video. Because besides this huge volume, nothing is happening for months now. Okay, a few sparks here and there, but this is nothing extraordinary that could be speaked in the terms of altcoin season. Therefore, let me just say right off the bat, everything you need to know right now is this. Aion is bearish versus dollar. And this is daily chart, if I haven't mentioned. We are speaking short term, so this is not super long term perspective. In the short term, Aion is not bullish. And yes, many of you will be mad for me saying, we're not going to the moon right now, but let me be your reality check. Let me be the one that will slap your face and tell you, if you believe in Aion as a project, your time will come. Right now is not that time. It's not to say that Aion can't moon tomorrow. It's to say that right now price action is looking bearish. I got a few indications on that. Check me out. First of all, let's talk about this move. In there, we started a new trend. And if we can agree that this was some kind of an uptrend that lasted around a month and a half, then agree with me that this, on the daily chart, is a downtrend. The beginning is right here. Here we touched resistance, and right now we are far below that resistance. So even if Aion can manage to go to that line, it is probably gonna be rejected pretty hard, because nothing right now is indicating a reversal. Now let me remind you one thing. I'm not saying that Aion will go lower than it was at June, July, because right there we have some bullish, let's say, narrative, underlying stuff going on. Because this and this could be what? Double bottom, bullish reversal pattern that is happening right now. But we will see, is that in the cards? First, let's break that trend line, down sloping trend line, this, let's say, a mini trend that's going to the downside, and then we can confirm that yes, bulls are here. Right now, that is not the case. Bears are in control regarding the Aion. The coin will move, yes, when the Bitcoin, when the altcoin season go up. For now, it's a shaky ground, pretty dangerous territory. Why we stopped at 23 cents? Remember this number, 23 cents. This was our high in May. And if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool and connect that high with that low of July, we are getting every possible answer we need. Can you spot what happened right here? Very significant stuff. We bounced right into the 23.6%. An important line that Aion couldn't break. This is a pretty bearish narrative, and we are still in this basement of this huge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-store building. Unfortunately, Aion never left this area into where we fell in May. So this move brought us nothing significant. The resistance is pretty obvious, at least to me. And if I remove Fibonacci and before that mark the 23.6%, which is, did you remember, at 23 cents, like this, what are we getting? Everything you need. Here, one more proof of a super resistance, but here, ladies and gentlemen, more important stuff. Look at this. Beautiful touch of support. Can't get any clearer than this. Super big support. But after that bounce, marginally higher than this one, and huge crash to the downside. Now, I am telling you right now, if Aion is able to break 23 cents, and right now we are standing at 13 cents, this is the change in momentum. This is the game changer. This is the bulls on the scene. Until that is the case, 23 cents, a big barrier, and nothing much to be happy about. Okay, good. Now, one more proof of this, let's say, short-term bearish narrative is right on the screen. And no, right on the screen, but yeah, right now, right on the screen. What you're seeing is 21 exponential moving average. For Aion, it is a clear border between bull and the bear. For example, in May, we broke below it and were below it until the end of July. This is a few months of pure bearish action, nothing to sugarcoat it. After that, Aion was able to get up and show us some bullish picture. In there, we could talk about our price prediction from the beginning of the year. We could talk about some bulls coming back on the scene. But this red candle right here showed us Aion is still not ready for the big pump. The target of this video is to put you in the right space, to tell you what's going on. And just, if you are an Aion investor, be patient. This coin, for now, is not giving us that conviction that really those levels from my price prediction will be reached. If things go in this direction where Aion is going to right now, you can wipe your ass with my price prediction. Fingers crossed. Until then, how about you subscribe to the channel? How about you like it? How about you share it with someone that holds Aion? My appreciation will be huge. I'm thankful for that. Since you are on this video, how about you watch this one? I heard there are some golden nuggets in this one. It's just the matter of time when you will find them and put them in the right perspective. My friends, let's travel one more time to the future and to the Aion.